What's up everyone, Devin here. So I'm back with a follow-up video on the previous video that we worked on, and without further ado, let me just get into it. So remember, like, we created a new branch, update underscore script. Now we are making we performed a git add, we are now writing the commit statement. So git commit -m, which is the m flag. So you're accompanying the changes with a message just to be able to keep track of what we are currently doing. So git commit command captures a snapshot of the project's currently stage changes. So that's what that's what the git commit does. Now the thing is, when you do a git push, I tried to do a git push, but git told me that the current branch update of the script has no upstream branch. So that means that we have created a branch here locally, but there's no branch in the remote repository for it to be able to communicate with. So with that, you're supposed to perform the command. Even Git gives you the command that you're supposed to use to be able to push that branch that you've made locally to the remote repository. So it's git push --set -upstream origin, then update script. So when you do that command, it will it will make the changes, it will make those changes in that update underscore script branch, and it will also push the branch itself there. So you have the branch here locally on your machine, and also have the branch on GitHub, the remote repository. So the both you can be able to communicate when you're working on the update or script branch, the branch that we created. So if you get that output, that means that the git push with the branch was successful. So there are a couple of things that I didn't mention in the previous video. So to undo git add before a commit, let's say for example you've said git add then dot. This means the git add, that means you're adding everything. If you want to undo that, you'll just run a git reset dot. That will reset all the file and it will unadd them. Then when you do a git reset, then a specific file that you don't want to be added, it will unstage all the changes. So that is to undo a git add. But to be able to undo a git commit, use the git reset command with the -soft option and specify the commit hash. So the commit hash is like the message that you're putting there. Then yeah, so git status displays the state, git add adds everything. So that is one of those pointers that I saw that it's very important for you to know, because maybe you can make a slight mistake there in the git add or even git commit. You want to be able to undo that. So this is how you can go about it. So yeah, happy coding. I'll see you guys in the next upload.